The web extension identifies a Corel WordPerfect web document containing HTML formatted content created for web publishing from WordPerfect. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, or convert these web document files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest WEB cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. WEB files are web document files from Corel WordPerfect containing HTML formatted content with styling text, formatting images, and hyperlinks designed for web publishing. They bridge WordPerfect's document creation capabilities with web-ready HTML output. Corel WordPerfect WEB files use HTML markup generated by WordPerfect's web publishing features with embedded CSS styling, inline formatting, and image references. They may include WordPerfect-specific HTML extensions for advanced layout features. The WEB format is inextricably linked to the application Corel WordPerfect from Corel Corporation. Only a dedicated file viewer can bypass the simple header errors in this format. Windows may open web pages offline, though some assets won't load without network access. We'll initiate a comprehensive scan of potential openers. Right-click your WEB file and select Open With. Test Corel WordPerfect if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates confusion. If you cannot access the WEB file, no problem. We're going to use the universal fix, but it helps to know the source. Here are the most common technical culprits behind your system's rejection of the WEB file. First, opening the file. Open web files in any web browser by double-clicking or dragging onto the browser window. The HTML content renders with formatting and images. For editing, open in Corel WordPerfect or use any HTML editor, including Visual Studio Code or Dreamweaver. Next, editing content. Open the web file in a text editor or HTML editor to modify the HTML markup directly. Change text formatting, update links, and modify CSS styles. Save changes and refresh in a web browser to preview the updated web page content. Finally, converting to modern web standards. Open the web file in a text editor and update the HTML to modern standards. Replace deprecated HTML tags with CSS equivalents. Add responsive design elements for mobile compatibility. Validate the updated HTML using the W3C markup validation service. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.